A very good morning to respected chief guests, principal, teachers and all my dear bhaijis and bahanjis. I am Astha Pandey from the biology stream. I am studying here since the past 3 years. I would like to start with my learnings in school. My attitude towards the school has changed. I had never thought that I will get this type of environment. My teachers have helped me in increasing my observation power, my adaptability and have provided me the best opportunities for my growth. I wonder how my teachers have so much patience as I usually get hyper. Higher learning sessions and classes by experts gave me a wider vision for my future. Mostly people get scared by the mention of word hostel, but my hostel is something different. My hostel plays an important role in my holistic development. Here I opened up more and I understood the need of self-expression. It is very important to express yourself. And also the opportunity to get mentors' feedback. Here I became more stronger and active because of SHRM and sports. We are familiar with this quote, teamwork is the key to success, and I also think so, because being with the people of same interest is really good and beneficial, as it motivates us to be a better version of ourselves. Primarily, I want to score good marks in my boards, and I also want to do something for society. My advice to juniors. I want to say to my juniors that evaluate what is right and what is wrong. Please don't get influenced by anyone. Second, don't hesitate to take advice or sharing your mistakes with the elders. Often we avoid sharing our mistakes with the elders for the fear of being scolded. Don't hide your mistakes. Last, following rule is important because to gain most of the system you live in. Last, I am very grateful to my teachers, mentors, batchmates, juniors who helped and supported me during my times of need. My stay here has been a wonderful experience. Thank you all.
Good morning, respected Principal Teacher Ji, honorable teachers, mentors and all my dear brothers and sisters. I am Akanksha, a student of class 12. Thank you all to provide me an opportunity to say something on this very special day. In school, I learned the way to express myself with juniors, and elders, छोटों को सुनना और उनके साथ रहना सीखा, जूनियर्स की हेल्प करना सीखा, बैक से सपोर्टर्स बनकर सबके साथ रहना और उनकी हेल्प करना सीखा। यहाँ जो हमारा लोगो है उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो मैंने फुलफिलमेंट के साथ रहना भी सीखा। हॉस्टल में एफिशिएंसी के साथ रहना सीखा, टाइम मैनेजमेंट करना सीखा। यहाँ मैंने बहुत से ऐसे भी एक्सपीरियंस किए जो शायद मैं अब लेट आइडेंटिफाई करती या नहीं कर पाती, और साथ ही साथ अपने उस कैपेबिलिटी को भी पहचान पाई जो मेरे लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल थी, जैसे बॉडी क्लॉक को समझ पाना और दूसरों को पेशेंटली सुन पाना। जूनियर्स के लिए मेरी ये एडवाइस है कि नेवर गिव अप। अगर आप किसी भी डिफिकल्टीज को देखते हो, चाहे वो चीज़ करने का मन कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है, बिकॉज दैट्स योर चेक पॉइंट जो आपको फेस करना है। जस्ट पुश योरसेल्फ एंड यू विल अचीव अ गुड थिंग। कभी भी रिजल्ट को खुद में ही फाइनल मत करो। अगर आप ऐसा करते हो तो आप खुद में भी डिमोटिवेट हो जाओगे जब आप उस अचीवमेंट को अचीव नहीं करते हो। तो जस्ट डिसाइड द पाथवे कि किस पाथवे से जाना है एंड इतना मुझे स्कोर करना है। नेवर लाई टू योरसेल्फ एंड योर पेरेंट। अगर आप अपनी सारी चीज एल्डर को शेयर करते हैं तो आप एक ऐसे इंसान से चुके हैं एंड इट्स अ गुड थिंग। हो सकता है कभी वो आपको डांट के या फिर प्यार से बोले तो ठीक है, इट्स ओके, जस्ट शेयर करो। मेरा ऐसा सच पर्टिकुलरली डिसाइडेड तो नहीं है कि मुझे क्या करना है, बस ये डिसाइडेड है कि कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स देने और लाइफ में कुछ ऐसा करना है जिससे मैं सेटिस्फाइड हूँ और ताकि मुझे भी सेल्फ चेक पॉइंट्स मिले। At last, I just want to thank to my teachers, mentors and to the school जिन्होंने मेरे लिए मेहनत की, मुझे एक शेप दिया। Also, I want to say sorry उन्हें जिनको मैंने जाने अनजाने में हर्ट किया है, और जूनियर्स को भी थैंक यू उनकी एनर्जी, उनके प्यार के लिए। थैंक यू।
Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Bhagya and I've been studying here for 4 years and it's been a memorable journey. Today I feel honored and sad at the same time. Honored because I got the opportunity to deliver this speech, and sad because it's me who has to do the difficult job to wish you goodbye. Anyways, Prerna Vidyalaya has given me so many reasons to smile for. I have made lots of memories here, like going on an educational trip, annual day, sports day. They were absolute fun. You know, in cookies recipe, they'll tell you to roast the cookies until they're dark brown. Will be roasted to the same color for every sports day. And annual functions were joy. For me, it was dance practices. And when we subscribe to eat less and talk more policy in the lunch breaks, and all those little joys. And I really enjoyed those special higher learning sessions with inspirational personalities where I got the opportunities to listen to their experiences. Apart from this, I've also learned many skills and valuable lessons here. Like I have learned how to manage my time effectively. I have learned to evaluate informations and find solutions to the problem. I used to be very indecisive, but now I have learned to make decisions wisely. My memory power and grasping power has also improved. I have learned how to adapt to different situations and challenges. But during this amazing journey, I've also made some mistakes, and I don't want my juniors to make the same mistakes as I did. So I would like to give them some advice. First of all, never hesitate to ask your questions. And please don't be a procrastinator. Get your work done on time and don't slack off or miss too much of your school, because you can fall behind pretty easily and get piled on backlogs, and later it becomes so difficult to cope up. Put your 100% into all your work you do. And don't panic if things becomes difficult or go very fast. It's not over until it's over. So be calm and act accordingly. And lastly, I would like to show my deepest gratitude to my school, to the management department, to staff members, my teachers and mentors who always gave their best and were always there to help me. I really appreciate the time you have spent mentoring me and helping me grow my skills. I have learned a lot of things here, and I hope I'll implement them throughout my life. Thank you.
Respected principal, teachers, brother and sister, and my dear classmates present here. I am Akan Samisa from Boys Stream. We all know that today is the last day for our school. After today we will not see each other, because after today everyone has different paths in their life. And this school is just not a school. It is a temple. In this school, many people have made their life successful by acquiring knowledge. All the teachers have given me encouragement and guidance in my difficult time. Future plans. I have just thought of going into medical field. But if I can't do it, then I plan to do business and future advice for juniors. First you make a goal of what you have to do, then you take experience from people related to the goal and how to achieve it. Secondly, if there is doubt in any subject, then we should ask without hesitation. Thank you all.
Good morning all. My name is Gunika and I have pursued maths after class 10. This is my 4th year in Prerna Vidyalaya and Manavdeep Hostel, and these 4 years were very fruitful for me. Though this is very hard to sum up all these days in very few minutes, but I will try my best. So, all the teachers here in Prerna Vidyalaya has played a huge role in shaping my personality. They encouraged me and gave me a platform to flourish and learn new things. Every time they tried to give me new opportunities and to interact with successful personalities. This school has helped us in every possible ways to increase our confidence. Living in hostel was very new experience for me, and this also helped me to concentrate on my studies with other extracurricular activities. Here I learned so many things, from self-discipline to self-control. Here it gave me a larger vision towards every aspect of life. Here I learned to balance my emotional, psychological and physical health. All the mentors here at Prerna Vidyalaya are calm, deep and sensitive. They gave us this beautiful environment where we have grown. This hostel is more like a home where we can give our opinions and ask anything. The most other important thing of this hostel is its daily routine. This increases productivity of a day. Though it is not very easy to get discipline and follow all the rules at the very first time, but after knowing its need, one can get adapted to it. I also was given an opportunity to be a hostel coordinator, and by this leadership role, I learned and realized how important it is to communicate with everyone without hurting their feelings. And last but not the least, I want to talk about my juniors. They were so helpful and nice, especially all my roommates. They supported us, and together we have so many memories that we are never going to forget. My future plan is to pursue engineering, and for that I will appear for some competitive exams. Now I would like to give some advices to my juniors. First, respect everyone, because the more you respect, the more you learn. Second, be grateful towards whatever they have given to you. And third, discuss your thoughts, area of improvement and qualities. This will make you more confident and clear towards your future goals. Now, I cannot end without thanking those who has helped me and guided me towards every aspect of my life. In some or the other way, each and everyone has helped me and guided me and taught me something new. Thank you for making me so capable that I am able to express myself. I shall never forget this place and people here. Thank you once again.
Good afternoon to the respected principal, teachers, sweet juniors and my dear classmates. My name is Harshvardhan Sahu from class 12 Bio Stream. I would like to speak at our farewell day on behalf of my class. I took admission in class 11 and I enjoyed my life here. And now I need to get admission in a college to get a professional degree and make my career. I can never forget all the support and care our respected teachers have given us. I will always remember all the equities taught by our teachers. I want to express my gratitude for all that I have learned here. This place will always hold a special place in my heart. The school environment of the school is strict yet calm and motivational. I like it a lot. I got many experiences here along with a good education. I still remember all happy and bad moments with my friends, like loud laughing, silly jokes, eating from other lunch boxes. All such memories are valuable to me and will be in my heart. My future plans are, right now I have to learn a lot and gain experiences. So after 12th board exam, I will try for NEET exam, and that I have decided to become a social media influencer or trader in share market. Future advice to juniors. If you are doing any work, you should take full interest. You should give 100% and you should know why you are doing this work and what will be the result in future. I also would like to say sorry for all the bad behavior. I wish all the best to the juniors and my dear best friend. Thank you all.
A warm good afternoon to all present here. I am Mahir, a student of biology stream. It's my honor to be a part of this family and be able to express myself in front of all. I hope my grandpa, parents and teachers are proud of me as much as I am fortunate to have them. I learned a lot of things in my 4-year-long journey in Manavdeep and Prerna Vidyalaya. I maintained my health with continuous physical activities. I became a keen observer so that I could communicate my feelings to others. I changed my perspective to see positivity in others. I came to know about the necessity of discipline in one's life, though I didn't practice it fully. In school, we were provided different platforms to express ourselves. From this, we gained confidence for fluent conversations with others. I don't know whether I have the right to give advice or not, but these are some of my personal suggestions. First, put faith in your elders, though I regretted that I didn't put on them sometimes. Be a keen observer and perceptive so that you could read between the lines, whether in books or during communication. Third, sometimes it's okay to stay in the background and watch others grow. I am trying to accomplish it in my life. In future, I plan to get good marks in boards and will give NEET exam. I aspire to be an Ayurveda doctor by profession with the blessings of my mentors. I express my devotion to Babaji. Because of his philosophy of Madhyas Darshan, my life has been blessed. I was nurtured in a protective environment where love and serenity blossoms everywhere. I lived in Achoti, which was heaven for me, and now in Manavdeep. I thank my family for choosing this path for me. I would also like to thank all the members of Manavdeep and Prerna Vidyalaya as they build this place where we are far off from distraction and focused towards our goals. My juniors, especially roommates, are awesome. They loved us and supported us. And prepared us special surprises too. We could have been behaved better with them. I will be missing all those days when we share our lunch with teachers and classmates. I will miss all those chatterings and the mischievous things I have ever done with my friends. I am quite naughty and I will miss all those lessons which was given to me from my elders. I will miss all those carers from Riduko and Hibiba when they used to come at night and in the morning. I will miss all the best wishes given to me by the Manavdeep family and Sadhan Tauji's hand on my hand. I will miss to see the excited face of my parents and my grandpa when I used to go home. I will miss the loving forehead kiss of my grandpa because he left me. I won't think that one can get this much love and care anywhere. Okay. At last, I wish all the best to juniors for their upcoming journey ahead. Hope we cross paths again. Thank you.
Good morning, respected chief guest, principal, teachers, and my dear brother and sister. I am Om Bhagat from the biology section, studying at Prerna Vidyalaya since the last 2 years. The member of Prerna Vidyalaya and the Manavdeep have taught me a lot. I was not confident to start regular school after the long 6th year of the academic gap, even to study the science as a subject. But the situation has changed because now I am a very confident person. I have learned skills to make note making, speed writing and analysis process. I have also learned to become consistent. I have developed the potential to fight against the extreme fear of examination and to appear for competitive exams as well. Hostel learning, the pressure, the stress for exam and for completion of vast syllabus weakens other aspects of our life. But this hostel provided me the opportunity to improve my behavioral skills along with academic performance. This practice increased my listening and observing capability, and now I have a method to improve further my relationship. Future plans, I want to pursue my college education in the field of biology and chemistry. For personality development, I want to read biographies of great personality and briefly about politics, music and philosophy also. I have some advice for my juniors for their best performance in academics. First, develop the habit of writing and reading. Whatever you have understood, write it down because it will enhance your memory power, helping make an interconnections of your concept and improve your speed and accuracy for writing answer. Second, don't argue with the teacher for more marks because it prevents you writing a better answer. And third advice for the hostel students is that you have to always recall your purpose for staying at Manavdeep because it is required especially to follow strict discipline. Finally, I would like to thank the family of Manavdeep and the family of Prerna Vidyalaya who have made the great effort in making me what I am today. I would like to express my gratitude to Sadhan Tauji, Mridu teacher ji, Dhriti teacher ji, Goldie Bhaiya and the mentor of the student of our class who promoted me to start a regular schooling. Thank you everyone.
नमस्ते सभी को, मेरा नाम प्रचिता पंडा है। मैं बायो स्ट्रीम से हूँ। ये मेरा दूसरा साल है प्रेरणा विद्यालय में। लर्निंग, अभी तक कि मेरा स्कूल अच्छा रहा। यहाँ पे मैं संबोधन और डिसिप्लिन में रहना सीखी। पहले मैं बहुत ही शांत और अकेले रहना पसंद करती थी, पर यहाँ आने के बाद मैं लोगों के साथ घुलना मिलना सीखी और अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करना सीखी। पहले मुझे अपने सब्जेक्ट के प्रति स्वीकृति नहीं थी, पर बढ़ते समय के साथ मेरे सब्जेक्ट के प्रति स्वीकृति बढ़ी। यह एक ऐसा स्कूल है जो ना सिर्फ हमें पढ़ाई का महत्व बताती है, बल्कि अन्य चीज़ों में भी ध्यान दिलाता है, जैसे कि संबोधन, हाव भाव, बात करने का तरीका, संगीत, नृत्य आदि चीजें भी अत्यधिक महत्वपूर्ण हैं। और जो सीखा उसे प्रयोग में लाना, दोनों जगह, एक स्कूल और दूसरा मानव तीर्थ। हॉस्टल लाइफ इन मानव तीर्थ, I got to learn a lot from प्रशिक्षण, a time to learn different working skills. I personally spend time in my precision in gardening. We also learn rasa and silk area and many such things. My future goals. I really want to pursue my singing and music, and with it I parallelly want to run in nursery because I really love spending time with nature. Some advices for juniors. Maintaining health is very necessary in a student's life. Without it, any work you want to do is incomplete. And one more suggestion, that is time management. Without time management, you will not be able to be the one.
A very hearty good morning to everyone present here. I am Samiti Sharma and this is my second year at Prerna Vidyalaya and with Malati's family. Indeed, my school life has been a wonderful journey. It taught me the basic principle of adjusting myself with individuals coming from different backgrounds. I learned to maintain a balanced distance from others on my own. Moreover, I think school helps us to discover and nurture our hidden talents. Coming to my experience in hostel, I come from a very crowded and polluted city and really had a chance to visit rural areas which have a healthy environment. And here, I cherish living in the lap of nature. The pandemic of 2020 and 21 had badly affected me. What I mean to say is, I wasn't really active and fit before coming to Manavdeep. But now, I can see the change inside me, which is also very crystal clear to my parents. Here, I did things which were really new to me at first. For example, acrobatics, documentation on bioenzyme and potash, making shampoos and room fresheners by only using organic materials. My future plan is to currently get decent marks in CUET so that I can opt for a good and reputed university. Coming to my all lovely brothers and sisters, I have a handful of advices to give to you all. First, it is prevalent in our age that we feel very concerned about how we look. Trust me, this is all temporary and is of no use. Maturity is when one realizes having knowledge is far much better than having looks. Second, be proactive. You are the maker of your own life and only you can change your path. So try to engage yourself in many more curricular activities. That is, to take part in them with full enthusiasm. Last, just be happy. Because that all matters. You, your happiness and your learnings. That's all matters. Thank you so much.
A very cheerful good afternoon to everyone assembled here. I am Samya, a student of Maths stream. It has been my first and only 1 year at Manavdit. While being a part of this school, I came to know about my strengths. Like I came to know how I can express my thoughts in a better way. This school is different from others in every way. As here, I don't feel any hesitation while asking questions to my teachers, while communicating to anyone, or while presenting myself anywhere. I have become focused in my studies and goals, as here I'm getting the environment to do my best in it. And the main thing which I have got here is the inspiration to live with fulfillment. On moving forward, I want to share how my hostel Manavdit shaped my life. Our hostel has a fixed schedule for all the activities. So I have become more punctual and active for doing my best in every single field. And being active has also helped me to become healthy. As we all know, a healthy body has a healthy mind. So that is why I have become more efficient in self-study. This hostel even made me to tackle all the situations from which I used to stay away. And last but not the least, I have gained confidence here for the rest of my life. Now let me share my goals for future, which is to have a successful career as an engineer. And as I am interested in the field of law, so it will be my second goal to achieve. Lastly, I have some advice for my juniors, which will help them for sure. So first is, do self-study and put in your best. And second, prioritize your activities in your daily life. Through this, you will be able to achieve your goals. It is through these efforts that I have become a much better student and I am now eager to learn more and more. For this, my deep thanks to all at Prerna Vidyalaya and Manavdit. Thank you so much.
Good morning. My name is Shubha. I am a student of the biology stream and have been studying here since the last 5 years. On this special day, I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude towards my parents, teachers and mentors. I feel really blessed that I have received and will keep receiving your guidance throughout my life. I would also like to thank all my classmates and juniors for always supporting, encouraging and uplifting me. My school has taught me many valuable lessons. I would like to share some of them with you all. I have learned the importance of rules and that by following them we progress. Even if some rules don't align with our personal preferences, they should be followed, as disobeying them may have severe consequences. I have learned to step outside of my comfort zone to identify good people and good things and to engage in meaningful conversations. The manner of presenting oneself to the outside world without being pretentious has become clear to me. I have also learned that it is very important to handle pressure, as pressure will always exist in life. Talking about my future plans, currently, my only goal is to score decent marks in my upcoming 12th board exams. Moving ahead, I was asked to advise my juniors, but I don't consider myself capable enough, yet would like to draw attention towards 3 things. First, do not under or over-evaluate yourself by comparing or getting influenced by others. Second is that memorization is essential. It is often believed that only weak students rely on it, but this is not true. To perform better in academics, my advice to you all is that you must memorize things. By following that only, you will be able to understand the concepts and connect the dots gradually with time. Lastly, it is very, very important that you work towards being happy, because only then you will be able to perform better in every aspect of life. Best wishes from my side. Thank you.
A very good morning everyone. I am Tushar Sahu from Bio Stream and I am studying here since class 6. I learned a lot by coming here, as I didn't even know how to speak Hindi in the beginning. But I learned to speak Hindi with the help of teachers and my classmates. Also, I was afraid of talking to people and going on stage. But here, everyone gets a chance to introduce themselves on stage. And I also got a chance to introduce myself on front of all teachers and students. That I felt confident that I could go on stage and say something. Also in this school we had CVMS classes in which we learned about ourselves and how to interact with other people. These CVMS classes were very important for me and useful also. Today is very important day for all of us of class 12, because after this we will probably be able to meet each other only sometimes. I am sad about that, but I am proud at the fact that I complete my study such a good school and teachers, and thanks all of you for guiding me future plan. I thought of going to college for my future life, but still I have not thought that deeply, or in other words, I am busy spending my time finding out what I am interested in. Advice. My younger brother and sister, I just want to say, keep studying and keep working hard. Thank you.
प्रधानाचार्य जी, अध्यापकगण, अध्यापिकागण और मेरे प्रिय सभी भाई जी बहन जी, मेरा नाम यश राजपूत है। मैं कक्षा 12वीं में पढ़ता हूँ और आप सभी तो जानते हैं कि आज हमारे विद्यालय का आखिरी दिन है। तो मैं आपको अपने बारे में कुछ छोटी सी बात बताना चाहता हूँ। प्रेरणा विद्यालय में मैं पहले क्लास 8 से पढ़ रहा हूँ। इस स्कूल में शुरू से ही हमारे टीचर जी हम सबको बहुत प्यार से बेटा जी कहकर बुलाते हैं और हमारे छोटे छोटे भाई जी बहन जी हम सबको भैया जी और दीदी जी कहकर बुलाते हैं। पर प्रेरणा विद्यालय में तो मुझे सबका प्यार और सम्मान मिला और इस विद्यालय में टीचर जी हमेशा अपने बच्चों को हर दिन नई चीज़ें सिखाने के लिए तैयार रहते हैं। हमारे स्कूल में हर तरह की शिक्षा दी जाती है। मुझे तो मेरे स्कूल प्रेरणा विद्यालय नहीं प्रेरणा परिवार लगा। प्रेरणा विद्यालय ने हमें हर अच्छी चीज़ों के लिए प्रेरित किया और हमें प्रेरणा विद्यालय से हमेशा प्रेरणा ही मिली है। अंत में मैं अपने छोटे छोटे प्यारे प्यारे भाई जी एवं बहन जी को ढेर सारा प्यार देना चाहता हूँ और अपने प्रेरणा विद्यालय के प्रेरणादायी गुरुओं को सत सत नमन करता हूँ। अपने परिवार को कभी कोई भुला पाता है क्या? नहीं। इसी प्रकार हम भी अपने प्रेरणा विद्यालय को जीवन में कभी नहीं भुला पाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
मैं अब हमारे गेस्ट से पूछना चाहूँगी कि हमारे बच्चों ने अपने फ्यूचर प्लान को यहाँ साझा किया, तो आपका कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो आप बच्चों से पूछ सकते हैं।
जो इनके व्यक्तिगत अनुभव से जो सुझाव आए हैं, इनसे महत्वपूर्ण और सटीक सुझाव कोई दूसरे हो नहीं सकते। मैं तो कुछ पूछूंगा नहीं आपसे, आपको कुछ पूछना हो, कोई डाउट हो आपके मन में, तो हम लोग आपके साथ में कुछ अपना वो शेयर कर सकते हैं। बट आपके सबके उद्बोधन बहुत प्रभावी रहे और आप निश्चित रूप से बाकी जो विद्यार्थी हैं दूसरे स्कूलों में उनसे अलग हैं। आपकी समझ बहुत बेहतर है और आप सबको बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
बेटा आप में से कोई पूछना चाहेंगे? बेटा आप लोग क्लास 9 to 11 स्टूडेंट कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे अपने भाई जी बहन जी से भी और हमारे गेस्ट से भी? Anyone?
ऐसी जगह बैठे मेन सेंटर में।
आपका जो स्पीच था उसमें ह्यूमैनिटी, मानवीयता को रखने की बात हुई, तो कोई भी बड़े एक कंपनी में कि एक तरह से ये भी सुनते हैं कि संघर्ष है और काफ़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स है, प्रतिद्वंद है, द्वंद है, तो ऐसे में ह्यूमैनिटी अपने में होना और उस ऐसे प्रतिद्वंद वाले माहौल में ह्यूमैनिटी कहाँ तक एग्जिस्ट करती है?
बढ़िया सवाल है। ये वाकई में हमेशा हमारे मन में ये चलता रहता है, द्वंद चलता रहता है कि और बाहरी दुनिया को देखकर हमको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अच्छा हो जाऊंगा तो हो सकता है मेरा शोषण हो, है ना? लेकिन ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है। आज भी जो बहुत एक्सेप्शन को छोड़ दीजिए, जो टॉप लेवल लीडर्स हैं वो बहुत अच्छे ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं, उनकी जितनी समझ है उसके हिसाब से। और आज भी अगर आप स्वयं को समझ के सामने बढ़ते हैं तो आपको सामने वाला कहाँ खड़ा है, वो कैसा व्यवहार कर रहा है, क्यों कर रहा है ना, ये समझ में आता तो आप उसके प्रत्युत्तर में उसके साथ सदव्यवहार कर पाते हैं। और धीरे धीरे ओवर द टाइम किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आप रहें, आपकी ये पहचान, आपकी विशिष्ट पहचान बनती है, यूनिक आइडेंटिटी आपकी बनती है और लोग अंततोगत्वा आपको रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे ही, आपका सम्मान होगा ही, आपका वैल्यू रहेगा ही रहेगा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में। और जितना हम टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन सोसाइटी की तरफ जा रहे हैं उतनी ज़्यादा जो ह्यूमननेस है उसका वैल्यू बढ़ने वाला ही है। वही है जो भविष्य में कंपनियों को, संस्थाओं को, विभिन्न समूहों को संभालेगा। तो आप ऐसा बिल्कुल मत समझिए कि अगर आप मानवीय हैं, मानवीय मूल्यों को लेके चल रहे हैं तो आपको आगे जाके वास्तविक जीवन में अपने व्यवसाय में कोई समस्या आने वाली है। उल्टा आप हमेशा समाधानित रहेंगे स्वयं में। तो वो जो आपके अंदर के समाधान है वो बाहरी परिवेश में परिलक्षित होगा, वो दूसरों तक पहुंचेगा और वो दूसरे आपसे बहुत आश्वस्त महसूस करेंगे। वो आपके पास अपनी समस्याएं लेके आएंगे, वो आपके पास सुझाव लेने आएंगे। तो उस पूरे इकोसिस्टम में जो कंपनी का है उसमें आपकी वैल्यू बहुत ऊपर रहेगी और वो लीडरशिप की आइडेंटिफाई करती है। तो आप किसी भी संस्था में रहेंगे, किसी कंपनी में रहेंगे, आप इंडिस्पेंसिबल हो जाएंगे, कोई कंपनी आपको छोड़ना नहीं चाहेगी। तो आप इसको बिल्कुल ये मत सोचिए कि इससे आपके उसमें कोई आपको संघर्ष रहेगा या कोई चुनौती आएगी, बिल्कुल नहीं। आपके कारण दूसरे के संघर्ष, दूसरे की चुनौतियां आसान हो जाएंगी और वो सबसे बड़ा आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन, वो आपकी सबसे ज्यादा टेक्निकल स्किल आपकी जो है, आपका अपना जो प्रोफेशनल कॉम्पिटेंस है वो बहुत सारे लोगों में रहता है, लेकिन ये दूसरा आयाम है, ये बहुत ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है और ये कम है, इसलिए इसका महत्व बहुत ज्यादा है। ठीक है,
आप सभी गेस्ट
अपॉर्चुनिटी, आप सबको थैंक यू करना एक बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी है और मेरे लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी भी है। तो ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ प्रेरणा विद्यालय आई एक्सटेंड माई हार्टफेल्ट gratitude to everyone who made this प्रथम शुभकामना दिवस मेमोरेबल सक्सेस। मैं पूरे प्रेरणा विद्यालय परिवार की तरफ से आप सभी का बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ कि आप इस समारोह में शामिल हुए, इसे यादगार बनाए और ये सफल रहा। मैं अत्यंत आभार अभिव्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ हमारे मार्गदर्शकों का, जिनकी शेयरिंग हमारे बच्चों को नई ऊंचाइयों के लिए प्रेरित करती हैं। आपके शब्द हमारे बच्चों के लिए मददगार और महत्वपूर्ण जरूर होंगे। मैं अम्बा दीदी जी, मीना दीदी जी, समीर भैया का सादर आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ कि आपने अपने बहुमूल्य समय हमें दिया और अपना अनुभव हमारे बच्चों के साथ शेयर किया, जो निश्चित रूप से उनके लिए मददगार होगा। मैं हमारे मेंटर्स का बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ, जिनके मार्गदर्शन से ही हमने ये कार्यक्रम शुरू किया था, ये पूरी विधि शुरू करी थी और हम प्रथम शुभकामना दिवस तक पहुँच पाए। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं हमारे मेंटर वंदना दीदी जी, सूर्यकांत भैया जी, अंकिता दीदी जी, गौरी दीदी जी, के साहू भैया जी का बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ कि आप यहाँ आ पाए और इस कार्यक्रम में शामिल हो पाए। आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। हमारे मेंटर्स देश भर से हैं जो हमें प्रत्यक्ष और अप्रत्यक्ष रूप से हमारा सहयोग करते रहते हैं। मैं उनका बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ कि वो हमारे साथ बने हुए हैं। मैं सभी अभिभावकों का आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ कि आप अपना समय निकाल के यहाँ आ पाए और हमें सहयोग कर पाए। हमारे अभिभावक हमेशा हमारे साथ बने होते हैं और हर आयामों में हमें सहयोग कर होते हैं। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। लास्टली मैं बहुत स्पेशल थैंक करना चाहती हूँ हमारे बच्चों का, क्योंकि वो आराम से शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से हमारे शामिल में बने रहे। उन्होंने हमें हर आयाम में सहयोग किया, इसके लिए मैं आपके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ बच्चों। साथ ही एक्नॉलेजमेंट हमारे प्रेरणा विद्यालय स्टाफ के लिए, जिन्होंने अपना पूरा दिल लगा दिया इसमें। एमटी मानवतीर्थ परिवार के लिए, बीएसयू टीम के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आप हमारे साथ हमेशा बने हुए हैं। मैं हमारे कुकिंग स्टाफ, साउंड सिस्टम, टेंट, फोटोग्राफर, वीडियोग्राफर, आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ कि आप इस कार्यक्रम में हमारा पार्ट बने और आपने हमारा सहयोग किया। इस कार्यक्रम से जुड़े हुए सभी को मेरा बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, जिन्होंने अपने छोटे बड़े योगदान से इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने में हमारा सहयोग किया। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत आभार पूरे प्रेरणा विद्यालय परिवार की तरफ से। अगर मुझसे किन्हीं का नाम छूट गया हो तो मैं क्षमा प्रार्थी हूँ। आप सबके आने से हमारा यह कार्यक्रम बहुत ही गरिमामय रहा। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।